Are you looking for the best drum ceiling fans? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best drum ceiling fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CFL 8472 SB Chandelier Ceiling Fan. The warehouse of Tiffany CFL 8472 SB Silver Orchid Brown Lau 3-blade Chandelier Ceiling Fan features a remote control switch, matte gold fixture finish, metal and plastic materials, and requires 840-watt E12 bulbs. Not included. It is ETL listed and combines the functionality of a fan with the elegance of a chandelier to provide cool air and a stylish lighting solution for your room. Number 2. Jonathan Y 52 inches LED Ceiling Fan with Remote. The Jonathan Y GIL 9607 A 52 inches LED Ceiling Fan with Remote is a modern classic that features reversible 2-color fan blades, energy-saving LED bulbs, and high-quality construction. This ceiling fan is perfect for improving air circulation and lowering utility bills in your living room, dining room, bedroom, or office. The warm, soft white illumination provided by the modern LED bulbs is an energy-saving upgrade over standard incandescent bulbs. Plus, the fixture can be adjusted to your desired length. Satisfaction is guaranteed as Jonathan Y stands behind all of their products. Number 3. Almond X 18 watts LED 24 inches Smart Caged Fandelier. Almond X Smart Caged Fandelier is a modern farmhouse ceiling fan with LED light and remote control. It features 3 speed modes, adjustable brightness and light colors, timer settings, and night mode. The fan is made of metal, not plastic, and the blades are ABS made for safety. The base's diameter is 24 inches, while the top's diameter is 20 inches, and the height of the cage is 10 inches. It comes with one 5 inches rod and one 9.8 inches rod for height adjustment. With its unique design and safety features, Almond X Smart Caged Fandelier is perfect for your bedroom, kitchen, or dining room. You can adjust the fan speed and light colors according to your preference, set the timer and night mode, and enjoy a comfortable and cozy atmosphere in your room. Number 4. Fantastic Shade Clips Ceiling Fan Lampshade Bundle. Fantastic Shade Clips Ceiling Fan Shade is a complete bundle that includes a 15 by 15 by 8 handmade drum shade, clip kit, spiders, and a free diffuser. It is designed to enhance the aesthetics of your ceiling fan and add an extra layer of elegance and sophistication to your room. This product also increases your comfort by blocking out harsh glare from your ceiling fan, creating a more relaxing environment. The handmade 100% linen and expert craftsmanship ensure its durability and long-lasting use. The patented shade clip system makes it easy to install without any tools or special skills required. This product is cost-effective and allows you to update the look and functionality of your ceiling fan without having to replace the entire unit. Number 5. River of Goods LED Farmhouse Ceiling Fan. The River of Goods LED Farmhouse Ceiling Fan is a unique indoor rustic ceiling fan with a caged geometric design, metal mesh shade. Includes 2 dimmable LED 26 8 watts/40 watts incandescent bulbs, 5 wood grain reversible blades, 3 speeds with a reversible motor, and measures 52 inches L x 52 inches W x 14.25 h-19.25 inches H with included downrod. It is a great accent piece in your living room, bedroom, or any indoor space. The fan is energy efficient and can save on heat and air conditioning bills. It spins clockwise to recirculate warm air to keep you warm in winter and reverses for a wind chill effect to keep you cool during the summer. Number 6. Prominence Home 50880 Cicero Ceiling Fan. Elevate your space with the Prominence Home Cicero Ceiling Fan, featuring a brushed nickel body and modern fan blades. This fan is perfect for modernizing living spaces such as dens, bedrooms, dining rooms, kitchens, and sitting areas. It comes with a fully integrated LED globe light fixture that is dimmable and can light up your favorite spaces. With a reversible, 3-speed motor, This fan can be run in the winter to aid in rotating warm air and cutting down on energy costs. The multi-position ceiling fan can be hung low profile, standard, or on angled ceilings for convenience. Number 7. Jonathan Y. Mandy 52 inches LED ceiling fan with remote. The Jonathan Y. Mandy 52 inches LED ceiling fan with remote is a modern classic with high-end details such as reversible two-color fan blades, remote control, and the latest lighting trends. Equipped with energy-saving LED bulbs that use 90% less energy than incandescent bulbs and can last up to 25,000 hours, this ceiling fan is perfect for improving air circulation in any room while providing warm, soft white illumination. Jonathan Y stands behind all of their products with a satisfaction guarantee and offers a full refund if you're unsatisfied with your purchase.